It should also be noted that in the new versions of our application, there is an option to calibrate locks in the device section. This feature is available in the device settings and appears as follows. You should use this section when for some reason the zipper tab does not hold in the lock as desired. Either it holds loosely, it does not hold at all, or there are other problems. Perhaps it doesn't open. In this case, we have the tuning section, which should help solve these problems. The first option available to us here is simply to open the lock. This option works exactly like opening the lock on the main page of the device. In some cases, just opening and closing the lock several times can help solve the problem. The second option is automatic adjustment, during which the lock opens and closes several times, determining the best position and suitable settings. Some issues can be resolved with such automatic adjustments. And if the automatic adjustment did not help, usually manual adjustment can help. Milliseconds during which current is supplied to the lock. By controlling the number of these milliseconds, we can control how far or not far the holding part of the lock extends, releasing the tab, and retracts back, locking the tab. Accordingly, through specific trial and error, we can find some values in the range from 100 to 200 milliseconds, which will best help us solve our problem. After each change, we press Save Settings. These settings are sent to the device, after which we can repeat the opening and closing of the device and check if this helps solve our problem. Of course, in such cases, you should also contact support for more detailed instructions on how to solve your problem. And this setting is available for all locks that are in your device. That's all about the settings.